In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert indicators on Tradingview. We'll start by opening any chart on Tradingview. From your dashboard or watch list, select the market you want to analyze and switch to the full chart view. Pick a time frame that matches your goal. Shorter time frames for quick moves, longer ones for broader trends. With a clean chart on your screen, you are ready to add indicators that help visualize momentum, trend, and other signals. Now look at the top toolbar for the Indicators button, often shown as a small beaker icon. Click it to open the Indicators window. This panel is your library, containing everything from classic technical tools to advanced ideas created by the community. At the top of the panel, use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Type familiar names like MACD, RSI, or EMA to pull up the most common choices. If you are exploring, browse the built-in section to see Tradingview's standard indicators. You can also look through community scripts to find indicators shared by other users. When checking community tools, read the short descriptions to understand how the script works and whether it suits your approach before adding it. To apply an indicator, simply click its name. It appears on your chart immediately. Some indicators, like moving averages and EMAs, overlay directly on price. Others, like MACD and RSI, open in their own pane beneath the chart. You can add multiple indicators. But keep an eye on clarity. Too many plots can make it harder to read what matters. Next, customize each indicator so it fits your strategy and is easy to interpret. On the chart, find the indicator's title in the corner of its pane or near the price scale, then click the small gear icon to open settings. In the Inputs tab, adjust core parameters such as length, smoothing, or data source to match your preferences. In the Style tab, fine-tune colors, line thickness, plot types, and labels so everything stands out clearly. In the Visibility tab, choose which time frames should display the indicator, helping you keep shorter and longer views consistent without clutter. As you tweak settings, watch how the plots respond and aim for a clean, readable layout. A good approach is to start with a few well-understood tools and let each one serve a specific purpose: trend, momentum, or volatility, so your chart stays focused and actionable. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.